Alright, so we're gonna get started on reaction video right about now. So, let's get started. And I am very excited to react to this one. This one is Batgirl Years of the Bird. And this one is from Amber Ever. And if you don't know, she was um she plays Batgirl. And the last time I did react to was Batgirl versus Lady Savai with Seda saying, both of them did a very good job for for um excellent of the fan films. And I was thinking that I might volunteer as well as Tiger. What's the one? Hold on. I think it was Tiger. Blonde's Tiger. Yeah, Blonde's Tiger. Cause I think um, I think it fit mine's because wherever I did like um you get the point. But this is for Amber, and hopefully hopefully it comes out this year because I was definitely gonna be able to watch it from this month or probably next month because I think there's nothing else for me to react to. But yeah, man, let's do it in three, two, one, go. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. I'm very excited about that one, man. Um, I think I think they're like teaming up together. For I think Batgirl. I believe there's Black Canary and Huntress. Yeah, I think so. Cause I think they like perform as the bird praise, and yeah, that's how his whole thing was start. And yeah, man, I'm very excited, man. I love it, and even though I would love to volunteer as blonde bronze bronze tiger. I think so. I don't know how to how pronounce blondes, but yeah, man. If y'all want me to like do like the whole blonde tiger things, let me know. And also shout out to Amber. You did a good job for it, and hopefully I will love to react to yours. If it comes out this month or next month, doesn't even matter. Yeah, man. Let me know. Comment down below what you think about this,